I wanted to show you how to make a bracelet similar to this one, but it actually has 3 rows, and I've done the first one, and each one of this is gonna look like this one, and then I'm gonna attach it to another piece so that it comes together like that. This is for my husband, but I also make them custom for anybody, so if you're interested I could also sell it. I just need a measurement of the wrist. So this is pretty much what I'm going to use is this aluminum wire, but this is tempered aluminum, so it's not as soft as the one that they sell on the jewelry section at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I don't get it there actually, and I like it because it is not as bright as the aluminum jewelry kind, and it's also more stiff, so it stays in shape more easily. And what I'm doing here is that I'm just rotating it in this tool, and I'm trying to be random because that's part of the appeal of the look, that it's more abstract, more organic. It's not a very orderly or neat looking bead. So I'm trying to make it the same length as this, and just twist it back and forth, up and down, so that it looks random and organic. Once I've achieved the length that I want to, I'm just gonna cut it, and I'm gonna make sure that when I cut it so that the flush end is the one that stays on the bead and not the pointy end, because most wire cutters, like this, will give you a flush end and this one will give you a V-shape cut. Okay, so once it's cut, I'm just gonna put it inside the leather, and this is actual leather, and I bought it from Hobby Lobby a while back. And what I need to do now is secure it to the leather so it doesn't move. So I'm gonna use both the needle nose pliers, or the chain nose pliers, I think they are, but I'm also gonna use this other tool, which is the one that is used to close loops, to make some loops smaller, and the one that is tight is the one that I'm probably gonna make it tighter so that it stays. So it's working so far. I just need to find another spot to do it. And now this is the part that was cut, so I'm going to also move it around to make sure that it's not sticking out. So I'm gonna press onto it, and I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to mar the wire either. I don't want it to have too many scuff marks or scratches. Okay, so look, now it's more secure, but this is still sticking out, and I don't like that. It is not sticking out as much as before, so that's good, but I'm going to continue to try to bend it in. And this is usually the tricky part of the process, because it's not a uniform shape. You just have to work around it. In this case, I'm gonna press from the opposite side, which is causing it to come on this side, and now I'm gonna try to press it. Okay, so we can still see it, however, it's no longer what do you call it? I can no longer make contact with it because it's at a lower level than the surrounding loops. And yet I'm still gonna try to bend it some more. and that should be good. So now I have 2 of the strands completed, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do 2 of those wire beads and put them in there, and later I'm just gonna secure the end, and that will be it. So I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.